arrival of our guest of honor, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, President.
Efficient and effective realization of the operation and the Metro Manila Development Authority. His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino.
Following his great-grandfather, Sir Viliano Aquino, who was a delegate President, Republic of the Philippines.
We now come to the awarding.
Everyone may now take
32724 Philippine Army. Personnel of the Year 2013, Senior NCO 796005 Philippine Air Force. Contributed to the overall accomplishment of its Minute Secretary.
Invocation. Everyone is requested to stand.
Of this command. To His Excellency.
Lagi kong kasama ang mga bubo sa Presidential Security Group. Sa ilalim man ng nagbabagang araw o sa biglaang buhos ng ulan, sa harap man ng pulutong ng tao o miski sa kakaunting pribadong oras na nakakahalubilo ko kayo. Buong lakas at buong sigasig kayong nagsisilbi para samahan akong tuparin ang mga sinumpaang kong tungkulin sa bayan.